Hello and welcome back to It Yours Lovelies. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. So as you all know, today we are going to create a Durga Puja look. So first of all, I'm going to use my main product, which is obviously rose water. So first of all, I'm going to sprinkle some rose water or spray some rose water on my face and then apply a lip balm on my lips to make them feel hydrated. Remember, skincare is must before makeup. Next, I'm going to use this gold serum by Nature's Essence to add that glowy and dewy look to my face, and you guys can already see the difference. I will mention all the products and their links in the description box. Do check them out. After patting in the serum nicely, next I'm going to use this inside primer and it is clear gel. So yeah, this also gives you a nice hydrated and dewy look on your face. Next up, I'm going to use this Bélora Paris Illuminating Moisturizer, which is powered with real nano gold, and currently they are running an offer of buy one get one free and also a giveaway. So please make sure you check their website because the products are really awesome. Moving forward, I'm going to use the Pond's BB cream because I want a lightweight and clean look on my face. That's why I'm not using the foundation. So I'm going to dot it all over the face and then sprinkle some rose water on the brush and then dab it on my face. So this is how it will give an airy and dewy look to my face and to my makeup. Next, I'm going to use this Maybelline concealer to conceal my dark circles and dark spots and then blend it with a brush nicely to cover all the spots. For powder packing, I'm going to use My Glam Vanilla Flavored Compact, and this is a really nice product because it gives you a really clean look on your face. For the blush, I'm going to again use My Glam Raspberry Blush. It gives you a youthful look and also makes you look a bit cheerful. So I'm going to apply it on my cheekbones like so. For contouring, I'm going to use Pose HD Bronzer Duo, and yes, I'm going to apply it with my fingers to give it a nice dimension and then blend it with a brush. Let us move ahead and do the brows with My Glam Brow Powder and Eyeliner Duo. I'm going to apply the brow powder first and then with a spoolie I'm going to blend it nicely. For the eye makeup, I'm going to use the Beauty Glazed Color Board eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to use a red eyeshadow and apply it on my eyelid and then top it up with a pink glitter. I could have used golden eyeshadow over here, but then it would have made my face look bigger because it would have focused only on the lips and on the bindi of my face. So that's why I have chosen this eyeshadow. You can go with the golden glitter eyeshadow too. I will also apply the red eyeshadow under my waterline just to give it a more dimension and a nice look. Then I'm going to make a winged eyeliner with the help of My Glam Eyeliner and Brow Powder Duo. Next, I'm going to use this Bélora Paris Ice Cream Kajal, and I must tell you that it is transfer-proof, waterproof and smudge-proof. Just in one stroke, it gives a nice color and really makes your eyes look bold. I will also apply it on my inner corners of the eyes to give a perfect cat eye look. After this, I'm going to apply lipstick. For that, I'm going to use the Belora Paris liquid lipstick, which is ultra long lasting, kiss proof and transfer proof. It is specially made for Indian skin tones. I have also made the bindi with the same lipstick, and now let's get ready with earrings, bangles, and that's how my final look is going to be. Also, I forgot to apply the mascara and highlighter, so I'm doing it right now. For that, I'll be using the Maybelline Hypercurl mascara and Mars highlighter. So that's my final look, and I'm really liking it a lot as it's giving a nice glowy look. That's it for today, guys. Please don't forget to like this video, comment down below, share this video with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel. I will see you all very soon. Until then, take care and be happy.